Hi, we're Team Aurum from BMS College of Engineering and Architecture.
Hi, my name is Aditya. I'm responsible for resilience and thermal comfort.
Hi, I'm Ritika and I'm in charge of resilience and thermal comfort.
Hi guys, I'm Raksha and I've been working on goals and affordability.
Hi, my name is Shena and I'm working on energy and thermal comfort.
Hi, my name is Kiran and I've been working on energy and simulations. Hi, I'm Bharata and I'm responsible for innovation and water.
We're all fourth year students from BMS College of Architecture, and so combined as a group, we've also worked on the architectural design of this project.
We, as Team Aurum, have decided to design an educational building, and this has been part of our curriculum once before. Through the entire period of our 4 years in architecture, we've learned about the different stages or the different processes that are involved in a project. So we do have a slight idea as to the functionality aspects and what are the different parameters that we have to consider in terms of considering their psychology, their needs and the requirement. And for us to have like an experience with real life industry partners and to learn about various topics in depth, it's very synonymous with our course. So the process has been exciting where we're repeating it, but we're learning how to do it in the actual practical way.
Generally, when we read about climate change in the news, we just tend to read it and forget about it because we don't see the effect on us on an everyday basis. But as in when we went through the SBI brief and saw various articles in newspapers, and this can escalate a lot more in the future, and in the future generations will create a lot of issues. So we thought as architecture students it's also our responsibility to cater to this situation.
We have been working with engineering teachers as well as our architecture faculties. So they are all well versed in different fields. So actually interacting with them and even with probably teachers who don't directly teach us and just general faculty in the whole college. So they have been providing us with different fields of knowledge. So that sort of opened our eyes to different aspects of architecture itself.
Because now that we started working on Solar Decathlon, our sort of perspective has been broadened to a lot of different topics that we wouldn't deal with in our normal course. Like things like the water cycle or affordability or innovation, something that we don't get to explore in our day-to-day classes.
So before in the earlier semesters especially, we would focus mainly maybe functionality and aesthetics, but now we look about its actual practicality more. Like talking with real-world experts, how sustainable they are and how future responsible it is going to be.
And another thing is that in our architecture course, we only work amongst ourselves with our field people, but this SBI gave us a chance to work with the engineering course people as well. So we learned a lot of things that they learned, but we wouldn't learn. For example, like in architecture, we just go into a little bit depth of the services aspect of how the HVAC system works, how services like solar energy works. So we just learn a surface level information, but while we worked with them, we went into in-depth calculations of the amount of energy we would produce and things like that.
Negotiating and communicating with project partners or even architecture firms that are going to collab with us, or even procuring various information on materials and everything was quite a challenge because all of this was a new topic for us to deal with as we're dwelling deeper into it in terms of cost and affordability also. So that was a big challenge. I think we're overcoming it as a team.
When we did this entire thing, the aspect of practicality which came in, probably that could be added into the normal degree course that we have, because a lot of times we see that within the semester we're only able to look at surface level functionality and the aesthetics of the design, and we have to put it together. So maybe if a bit of practicality was also taught as a part of the course, so by the time we actually enter into the field, it would be better for us.
Financial aspect of these projects where affordability plays a crucial role. For us, it's taught in one of the semesters in 1 year towards the end of our course. So it's not something that we really pay attention to. So once you come out and you're in real life and you're looking at projects happening, the cash or the money involved is what plays a very important role as to how far these strategies are taken forward. I think that has to improve.
It is a competition, but we're also just trying to put forward our best from whatever we can learn through our peers, through the platform, and through all of the mentors that we're working with. In the end, if we do make it to be a finalist, then that's just great because we're proposing something that will sort of benefit our project partner and client. Our game plan is to sort of talk to them and propose our designs and propose, propose that whatever we are showing, it will have long-term benefits in the long run.